Hi, my name is Chang. This video is designed for beginner Blue Moon speakers. In this video, we will go over the first 12 consonants in the Blue Moon language. The consonants sounds are ba, 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 jaw, 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 claw, 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 fa, 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 jaw, 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 ha, 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 za, 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 ga, 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 la, 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 ma, 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 na, 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 ba, 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 ba. Let's go over once more. Ba, jaw, claw, fa, jaw, ha, za, ga, la, ma, na, ba. Please join me in the upcoming video to learn more about the Blue Moon consonants. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.